how to upload project on GitHub in Tamil. In this video, I'll show you how to upload project on GitHub. So to get started, go ahead and open GitHub into your browser and then sign into your account. And then click on your profile at the top right of your screen and head over into the repositories tab. So on the repositories tab, go ahead and click on new at the top right beside sort, and that will allow you to create a new repository for your GitHub account. So in here, go ahead and name this repository. So since the project that I want to upload is named Premium Hat Co, I'll simply name it to that, and then make sure to enable add readme and then set the visibility to public. And then after that, click on create repository, and that will take you into a new page. So in here, go ahead and click on this add file button to be able to upload your files to GitHub, and then click on upload files under that, and that will take you here. So in here, click on choose your files, and that will take you to your local drive. So since my file is still a zip, I will need to unzip this file. So go ahead and unzip your file if you haven't done that yet. But for mine, I haven't done that yet. So I'll unzip it first. And then once this file is extracted, I'll simply open the folder. And then inside it, copy all of the files and drag this into GitHub. So the upload will start once you drag the files into this area of your GitHub account. So once the upload is done, you can go ahead and click on the button at the bottom of this page. So the upload might take a while depending on how much files you have to upload for your GitHub repository. So once all of it is uploaded, scroll down and click on this commit changes button to upload this files to your repository. So once you have clicked on this, it would be processed to your repository, and once this is done loading, you'll get redirected to your repository with all of the files that you just uploaded. And that is how you can basically upload a project on GitHub in Tamil.